Hello everyone, I am Ananya Chatterjee. So today we are going to do a statistical problem. That is, the question is given as the probability of getting a head in tossing of a coin is P. P belongs to 0 to 1. The coin is independently tossed 25 times and the head appears 10 times. So now the base estimate of P with respect to the prior beta 5, and the squared error loss function is. And the options are given as 3 by 7, 3 by 5, 1 by 2 and 2 by 5. Okay, so let's start with the problem. That is, at first let X denote the number of heads in 25 tosses. Okay, now given that X is equal to 10, N is equal to 25, right? Now, the prior distribution is that is P beta 5, 5. Okay, so like this, we can say the prior distribution is proportional to distribution is proportional to, that is P to the power 5 minus 1, 1 minus P to the power 5 minus 1 is equal to P to the power 4, 1 minus P to the power 4. Okay, so now here the likelihood for observing 10 heads, the likelihood for observing 10 heads in 25 tosses is proportional to, that is P proportional to P to the power 10, 1 minus P to the power 1 minus P to the power 15, right? Now moving to the next part, that is, therefore, the posterior density is proportional to, that is P to the power 10, 1 minus P to the power 15 into P to the power 4, 1 minus P to the power 4. Correct? Now, hence by this, you can say that by P given X is equal to 10 is proportional to P to the power 14, 1 minus P to the power 19, P to the power 14 into 1 minus P to the power 19, right? So, The posterior distribution here is, that is, given x is equal to 10 follows beta 15 comma 20, right? Now this is because for a beta alpha comma beta, we can say distribution, we can say that the density is proportional to p to the power alpha minus 1, 1 minus p to the power beta minus 1. Okay. Now by this, what we get is that here alpha minus 1 is 14, that is alpha is equal to 15, and beta minus 1 is, 19, that is beta is equal to 20. Now, under squared error loss, the base estimate, what it becomes? That is the posterior error. That is the posterior mean. That is for beta alpha comma beta, the mean is alpha by alpha plus beta. Now from here, therefore, the base estimate is 15 by 15 plus 20, that is 15 by 35, that is 3 by 7. Okay, so from this we can get that the answer is option number 1, that is 3 by 7.